Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to create your own website but didn't know where to start, today's tutorial is just for you. In this video, I'm walking you step by step through the process of building your very first website in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get set up and publish a stunning website, whether you want something super quick or feel ready to get creative and customize things yourself. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. If you haven't already created one, just head over to webflow.com and set up a free account in a couple of clicks. But here's something important. While Webflow does offer a free starter plan, if you want to officially publish your website and make it live for the world to see, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. This really unlocks all the publishing features and gives you a lot more flexibility for managing your site down the line. Once you're signed in, take a second to orient yourself inside the Webflow dashboard. You'll see a button that says New Site. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for building something new, and from here you've got a few options to choose from based on how you want to build your first site. If you're looking for speed and maybe even a little bit of magic, definitely take a look at the AI Site Builder option. Webflow's built-in AI can generate layouts and components for you based on your input, giving you a fast and personalized starting point. Let's say you know what kind of site you want, a portfolio, restaurant page, maybe a blog, but you don't want to design it all from scratch. The AI Builder will ask you a few questions, and within moments, you'll have a structure to tweak rather than starting from a blank page. Now, for those of you who want something really simple and straightforward, the template option is a great choice. Webflow offers a library of professionally crafted templates for every purpose imaginable, from business sites to creative portfolios and online stores. All the design work is already done. You just pick one that fits your vibe, swap out the demo content for your own text and images, and you're nearly there. Templates are fantastic if you're just getting started and want to see quick results without worrying about all the design details. On the flip side, maybe you're feeling adventurous and want full creative control. In that case, choose the blank site option. This gives you a totally clean slate, no preset layouts or content, so you can build your website exactly the way you envision. It's a bit more hands-on, but also really rewarding if you enjoy tinkering and bringing your own ideas to life. For today, I've actually already started a website using a template, so let's look at how easy it is from here. When your pre-built template site loads up, you'll notice that you can jump right in and change the text, images, and colors to reflect your brand or personality. Spend a bit of time uploading your logo, tweaking the color scheme, or swapping out demo images. Little things like this really make your new site feel like yours. Once you're happy with your changes, it's time for the best part: publishing your website. In Webflow, this is as simple as hitting the Publish button. You'll see your site appear live on a Webflow domain right away, so you can share it with friends or colleagues instantly. If you're on a paid plan, you can even connect your custom domain. Remember, don't stress if it takes a bit to find your way around or if you want to revisit things later. The beauty of Webflow is that you can always come back, make tweaks, and update your design anytime you like. That's all for today. If this tutorial helped you take your first step in Webflow, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or want to share your brand new website? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more friendly, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.